friends, welcome back to another week of the ModTech Minute. Today I'm going to talk to you, and I'm going to let my kids talk to you about a module I've got called Research and Development. In Research and Development, we make our own dragsters where the kids draw side views and top views, and then we cut them out and then shape them. And then before we do anything fancy, we race them, and then we do some analysis and create modifications to make our cars go faster. In the end, we also use Tinkercad to create our own custom wheels, and we 3D print those so that we can increase our speed a lot. And I've got some clips here that are going to show you how the students work together, collaborate, and end up with an epic final car when they're done with all their testing. Thanks for checking in.
Okay, so we made our dragsters, and I recently created some new wheels for mine, and I'm going to race them against Corey, and we'll see how we do. 3, 2, 1.
That was the winner.
7.77.
Doing R&D. You can see my time, or my speed, is 19.8 miles per hour. To go that fast, I have added my own wheels to make it go faster using Tinkercad and 3D printing. I adjusted the hooks that they're lower to the ground so there's less friction, and I've made my car almost double as fast. Now 19.8 miles per hour compared to 13 miles per hour when I first started, all because of my edited car.
So we're back at it again in the R&D module, and Nate and I are going to race, and we're going to show it to the World Wide Web.
He won. 23.1. Not my best, but pretty good.
This is third hour R&D dragster, and we are racing Mr. Harmon's car in 3, 2, 1. And Mr. Harmon's car won with 23.9 miles per hour, and Jessica's car had 8.5 miles per hour.
Okay, this is the tester for the drag value of our dragsters, and it blows wind through this little tunnel, and yeah, we find out the drag. And then this is Nate's.
Here we go.
Drag value of 8, and then
Alright, this is Noah's car, and we're going to test his drag on his car. Like a fish.
Alright, so there you have it, friends. This is my research and development module. It is based on a product from Kelvin Educational. They call it the Kel-Air No CO2 Dragsters. The beauty of the Kel-Air system is it uses an air compressor instead of CO2 cartridges, and you can launch them as many times as you want. When I had CO2 dragsters, we would launch each car a couple times, and there was an expense for every time you launched it. So using this strategy allows us to launch them again and again and again. And then I added the 3D printed wheels instead of the wheels that come with the kits. Notice how large these wheels are. Our wheels, we have found we can make them so much smaller, which makes the cars more efficient. The wind tunnel that I show you later in the movie, that was created using Pittsco. You can see that they have their own dragsters that do use the CO2. They have whole lessons for the different grades that you can pick from in their different STEM kits. And you can see right here they have the wind tunnel that you can purchase for $4,800. And they also have amazing things like their own real raceway that they built. You may have noticed mine was created with some pieces of laminate flooring, which ended up being real slick because we can step over them quite easy in my class. So it just worked super efficient as a place where we could have a nice smooth track, yet also have something that was definitely dedicated to being a racetrack. So hey friends, thanks for checking out another edition of the ModTech Minute. Hope you have a great week and looking forward to seeing you next week as well. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the video. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe.